morning everybody. Today we're going to fit this and this to the FJR 1300. So the first thing we have to do is we take the seat off, the back seat, the back box, and this bar here, and that is replaced with these. So let's get going. So to remove the seat, turn the key. We lift both the seats off. And we have to undo this bolt, and there should be two at the back there, which we'll come to in a minute. So first of all, let's get them off. Okay, so I've slackened these off. The other two bolts there. So now with all the four bolts out, this should lift off. Should lift off. Should lift off. There's one more bolt. So there's 5 bolts altogether. One there, one there, one up there, one up here, and this one here, top. So let's take that off. Yeah, and the whole thing lifts off. So in here, we just put a spacer. There are 5 spacers altogether. That goes in first. Okay, let's look at what we've done. First thing we do is we put the spacer under here before we put this on. Black spacer. We then put this on, put the rack on loosely. We use the original bolts here, 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 and here, and with supplied spacers. These 2 bolts originally came with these top hats. We don't need them. So spacer, 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 spacer. 5 spacers, 4 original bolts, and 1 supplied hex head bolt, 6mm. And then we place everything together loosely. Start them on just a couple of threads so that you can move it about. Once they're all in, hand tighten them all, make sure it's where it wants to be, and then tighten them up finally. So that's the rack on. Let's move on to putting the Givi plate on the back. So the next thing we do, we get the monarchy plate, and we have 4 hex bolts with small washers on the top and big washers on the bottom. So that's 4 washers, and put them all in loosely again, make sure it's sitting straight, and then tighten them up. Once we've tightened them up, only hand, remember they are nylock nuts. They don't need to be tightened, over tightened. Make sure you don't over tighten them, because if it's not sitting right, you'll split the mounting. So what we do now, we take these, and finally we put them in the holes, like that. And there we are. 2 more here. These holes aren't used, so put them in there. And that's the job done. Let's get the box fitted. There we go. So it's all fitted. Seats back on. All the bolts checked. And it looks pretty good. Very pleased with that. Right, that's all for now. Catch you on the next one. Jadwin out.